Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you already own a custom domain from any provider and want to connect it to your Squarespace site, this video will walk you through the full process. So, here is how to actually connect Squarespace to a custom domain in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, go to Google or Bing or whatsoever, look for Squarespace login, then tap on it. It will take you to another window where you should usually just use your email address and password to access the dashboard. So, after this, we're gonna go all the way to settings here. Look for domains and email, tap domains, then go to use the domain I own. So, as for now, enter the domain name you would like to use with your Squarespace site. So basically, paste it here, then hit enter. Select manual connection. This gives you DNS records to add manually. Then copy the A records and CNAME. Squarespace will display all required records. Then log into your domain provider. If you are talking about Namecheap, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or even another host, it doesn't really matter. Same steps. Add the DNS records. Paste the records exactly as shown. Remove any old or conflicting records. Delete the old A or 4A. Or even the CNAME records. Now it's time to wait for the DNS propagation. Connection usually completes within 24-48 hours max. As for some small tips, keep your domain unlocked, avoid duplicate records, and don't panic if SSL takes extra time. That's totally normal. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.